Hi everyone, welcome to Eco Learning classes. This is Professor Geeta Mahesh. Dear students, today we are going to learn an important concept, law of variable proportion. Before we take up discussion on law of variable proportion, let us discuss few concepts related to this law of variable proportion. With respect to production analysis, we deal with the two types of production analysis. One is short run production analysis, another one is long run production analysis. What do you mean by this short run? The short run means here the period is short enough where you cannot change all the factors of production, but you can change a few factors of production which we call it as variable factors of production. See here, in the short run, a firm cannot increase its supply or decrease its supply by changing all the factors of production, but it can change a few factors of production. So, in the short run, the factors of production can be divided into two divisions. One is variable factors of production, another one is fixed factors of production. So, in the short run, if you want to increase or bring a change in the production or output, quantity of output, you cannot change all the factors of production, but you can change the output, quantity of output by bringing a change in few factors of production. Those few factors of production we call it as variable factors of production. And the remaining thing which you cannot change in a given short period, those factors we call it as fixed factors of production. Variable factors of production, good examples are laborers who earn daily wages, or you can consider raw material, fuel, energy, etc. But fixed factors of production like machineries, plants and a factory building, permanent employees are good examples for fixed factors of production. Then what do you mean by here long run? When we are dealing with the production analysis or understanding the production analysis, what is production function? You know very well. It is a functional relationship between input and output. So when you are trying to understand input-output relationship, here matters whether it is in a short run or in the long run. So here short run you understood in a better manner. Now let us discuss what is long run. Long run means the period is so long or the period is enough to bring changes in all the factors of production. That means all the factors of production. What are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital and organization. In all these four factors of production can be changed in order to bring change in output, So, in the long run, all the factors of production are variable factors of production, and in long run, there won't be any fixed factors of production. Today, we are going to discuss law of variable proportion. That is, we are trying to analyze production analysis in the short run. Dear students, let us understand an interesting and important concept, law of variable proportion. This law of variable proportion explains the relationship between input and output in short run. As we know that in short run, there will be two types of input. One is fixed factors, another one is a variable factor. Some factors will be fixed and a few variable factors will be there. So, keeping some fixed factor constant, if we increase the variable factor, then the marginal productivity of increased variable factor initially increases and reaches maximum, later starts decreasing. This is known as law of variable proportion. This law of variable proportion explains keeping some factors fixed, and if we vary the variable factor, the marginal product of a labors or variable factor will increase and becomes maximum, later starts decreasing. This is known as law of variable proportion. This law of variable proportion is also known as short run production analysis. So here a variable factor is combined with some fixed factor, and MP of a factor input initially rises with its employment level. But after reaching certain level of employment, it starts falling. Let us understand. To understand this law of variable proportion, first we need to make a few assumptions. What are the few assumptions? As we discussed, there are some fixed factor. As it is a short run production analysis, there are some fixed factors and there is one variable factor. So there will be some variable factors, but here we are assuming one variable factor, and that variable factor will be a labor. We are going to take a variable factor is a labor. So the marginal productivity of labor will be explained under law of variable proportion. Technology remains constant, as we know that there will be inventions, and because of that reason there will be a continuous changes in the technology. So when we are proving this law of variable proportion throughout our analysis, technology remains constant and there is no changes in the technology. And all the units of variable factors are equally efficient. So here the skill of labor or efficiency of labor, all the laborers whom we are taking as an example will remain constant or remains equally. That means efficiency and skill of laborers are equally efficient. All are equally efficient. And we know that it is not possible in reality. The efficiency of labor will differ from one person to another person. So because of this reason only, we are making an assumption that all the units of variable factors are equally efficient. Now let us understand law of variable proportion with the help of a table. So we assume that there are some fixed factors and variable factor we have taken a labor. Keeping some fixed factor constant, let us consider land. Land remains fixed and there is no change in the land. For a given land, or let us assume 4 acres of land is there and farmer is going to employ a labor. As you keep on increase employment of labor, what will be the contribution of these labor can be understood with the help of a table. When you employ a zero labor, we know labor is an active factors of production. So if he is not there, then the output will be 0. As employment of labor increases till the third unit of labor, you can see here total product, marginal product, average product. All these three are increasing. You can see here total product is increasing. First, when you employ first labor, 10 units, then 24, then 40. So it's mean that total product is keep on increasing as employment of labor increases. And if you see the marginal product, even marginal product is also increasing. So marginal product of successive unit of first 3 units are keep on increasing. And you can see even average product is also increasing. First contribution, first labor contribution or average product of first labor is 10, then first and second average if you consider it is 12, then 13.33. You can see total product, marginal product and average product. All three are increasing till the employment of third labor. So marginal product was increasing till the third labor, and you can see marginal product is highest when you employ the third labor. So it reaches the highest or maximum level of contribution of a labor. Later what happens when you employ the fourth labor, marginal product will start decreasing. You can see marginal product started decreasing. Till the third labor you can see total product is increasing, but it is increasing at increasing rate. It is increasing at increasing rate because marginal product is increasing, and we know that total product is a summation of marginal product. As you are adding marginal product, when marginal product is increasing, so definitely total product will increase at increasing rate. Later you can see when you employ fourth, fifth and sixth labor, marginal product is decreasing but it is positive. So total product is increasing but it is increasing at a decreasing rate. You can see total product after third labor, total product is increasing but it is increasing at a decreasing rate. The reason is marginal product is decreasing. And you can see here the relationship between average product and marginal product. Even average product also starts decreasing after the third labor, after employing the third labor. Let us discuss the relationship between the marginal product and average product. Initially, marginal product is increasing. It is increasing more than increase in average product. That means marginal product, initially marginal product is greater than average product. Both MP, AP are increasing, but increase in MP is greater than increase in AP. You can see in the table. Later both AP and MP both will decrease. Both AP and MP will decrease, but decrease in MP is greater than decrease in AP. That means if you see the values, MP values are less than AP values. So MP is falling at a faster rate. It is faster than the fall in AP. The same thing we can understand with the help of a diagram. Dear students, you can see in the diagram, on x-axis labor is measured, on y-axis total product, average product and marginal product is measured. TP stands for total product, AP stands for average product, MP stands for marginal product. Here labor, when you start employing the labor, when you increase employment of labor, the total product is increasing and marginal product is also increasing and average product is also increasing. So TP, AP and MP all three are increasing till third unit of labor. So TP, AP, MP all three are increasing till you employ the third unit of labor. At third unit of labor, marginal product is maximum. After that, MP starts decreasing and AP, we can say that AP and MP both will start decreasing after the third labor. But TP continued to increase, TP continued to increase, but it is increasing at a decreasing rate. It is increasing at a decreasing rate because MP started decreasing. So till this point, TP is increasing at a increasing rate. After this point you can see TP is increasing at a decreasing rate. Okay, Makla. Now let us understand the relationship between AP and MP. You can see here AP and MP. Before the third labor you can see here MP is above AP and MP is increasing faster than increase in AP. Afterwards what happens? MP falls faster than AP and AP is above MP. Towards the left of third unit of labor, MP is above the AP. After third labor, you can see MP is below AP, or we can say AP is above MP. Dear students, you can make use of notes on law of variable proportion. This question is very important for 6 marks. And dear students, next topic, law of returns to scale. Dear students, if you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.